In this video, we are going to talk about the lines from 9 and 10 from the bird sanctuary Sarojini Naidu. While tree pigeons dreaming of a home, aim the tree tops, fill their beaks with silicon down and slender banyan trees. So in the third stanza, Sarojini Naidu represents an athletic idea by presenting two pieces of birds. One is the white pigeon, the other one is the parrot. The pigeons are dreaming of a home while they hover around the tree tops. They fill their beaks with the slender and smooth swing of banyan. Their dream keeps them motivated to do this manual work of collecting twins. So here, Sarojini Naidu is talking about the two birds, that is pigeon and parrot. The 11th line and the 12th line is talking about the but the short green gypsy parrots are one day matter and cross upon their sunward flight to plunder red-ribbed figs. So in contrast, the parrots do not even care for a home like the pigeons. The contentment of living at one place for the rest of their life is suffocating. They are the gay matters of nature unanchored to the comfort of the nest. According to the poet, they only pass upon their flight, directed by the sun to plunder red figs of the garden. So here, the parrot is normally parrot lives at the top of the tree, and the pigeon is also living at the top of the tree, and pigeon is waiting for the figs to get pulp because pigeon likes the red figs. So pigeon is waiting for the fig to turn as a red color. So in the last stanzas, but the chat green gypsy parrot are only gay madrats and pass upon their sunward flight to plunder red-ribbed figs. So Sarojini Naidu compares the contract, the conventional lifestyle with the life of a vagabond. Most of us work day and night for survival. There is also a distinct group who live just like the parrots. However, the poet does not glorify one over the other. She is of the view that we can find happiness in both courses of living. So the stones of jade green and the gypsy, it is costly for the life. So the jade green gypsy parrot of one day gave matter in the failed jade green gypsy parrot. The poet uses a metaphor to compare the color of the parrots to that of the Tsar, kind of hard and green stones. There is an alliteration of the letter G sound in green gypsy. In the last line, the sun is a symbol of God. The poet compares herself to the parrots and describes how she is also on the way of finding spiritual fulfillment. She passes a while to take delight in the red ribbed fig like beauty of nature. So here the bird is at the top, the parrot is at the top, and the pigeon is at the top. waiting for the fig to turn red grape. So they are like finding a place where they can live a happy life and a cool.